We are back with my second piece from Brandon Blackwood. So I undid obviously the shipping box, but I want to unbox it, check it out, review it, initial impressions, all that, because it is a handbag that is not in my collection. Wasn't even thought of to be in my collection. It is a very new situation for me. So let's dive into it together. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Rakita. For those who are new here, where luxury has no limits. And in today's video, now this is my second piece. This is my second piece from Brandon Blackwood, but it's my new type of bag. This type of bag is very new to my situation. So let's just get in the bag. Like I said, I undid the cardboard box because ain't nobody got time for that. Don't nobody want to see me struggling trying to open up a cardboard box. So I undid the tape, and this is sheet. So let's what is it? Okay, Rakita again making things difficult. Okay, so here we go. Oh my goodness. So my first Brandon Blackwood piece came in this same beautiful white box. Oh, okay, the aesthetic. Love it. Okay, so let's go ahead and take her off. What is this? Oh, that is probably my receipt. I just threw that on the floor, child. Like I ain't got to clean that up. All right, so here we go. And then of course, oh my god, like it's the packaging for me. Okay, the packaging with Brandon Blackwood be packaging. All right, let's see what's in here. Hold on. So in here, cause my receipt I just threw on the floor. It's a letter. Look, like you know me personally. It's a letter. Okay. So it is a letter. It says, "Thank you for your purchase. Enjoy your new piece, and can't wait to see you style it." Okay, I can't wait either. All right. So let's throw that on the floor. Okay, so back to the bag. This is what's in the box. Let's take her. Look at that. Did I tell you it was the packaging for me? Y'all know I'm a sucker for packaging. You know I'm a sucker for packaging. Okay, let's get into the bag. So because the dust bag is white, it's gonna wash me out. But that's okay, all right? Because we're not here for me. We here for this beauty. Okay, so let's get into her, okay? She cute. I got a peek. I'm gonna give you a peek too, but I'm just saying she cute. She cute. Oh. Listen, give me a minute now. Let me look at it. She cute. She is cute. Okay, so now y'all see what I mean by like nothing like I've had in my collection, because I don't own a mesh bag. Okay, so, and I don't own a pink bag, but more so when I said new to my collection is more so because of the mesh. I don't own any mesh bags, but this caught my attention and I brought it because I'm thinking like all the cute SLGs that I have, you know, the ones that I haven't converted, which is just really what my toiletry 26, haven't converted into a handbag. This is the perfect way to wear them, show them off, and still have a stunning handbag. So okay, so let's get into the bag. I'm sorry. Okay, so I'm gonna try to get, child, hold on, I'll be back. I gotta get this wrapping off.
One eternity later.
Okay, so the little tab that they had holding the handles together, it was on there, okay? But this is she. Ooh, okay. So as you, oh wait. Let's get the crossbody strap. It is stuffed. And then, all right. So, oh, wait a minute. Okay, so the lining, when I stuck my hand in there, you probably can't see it. I'm gonna try to do a close-up, but the lining is plastic. So the outside is mesh, but to help protect your items, they still have a plastic lining, which is awesome. But this is she. It has Brandon Blackwood here at the front in silver, and then it has silver feet that still have the protective stickers on. I'm not gonna take those off yet. And then it has silver hardware, and it does come with a crossbody strap. Listen, they protected everything. So let me see if I can easily, yep, I can. Okay, and then it has a matching crossbody leather strap that goes, okay, so there's D-rings. Let me put it on first, child. Wait a minute. Hold on, please. Why is it, what? Wait, what? Oh, child, the D-ring went into the inside of the bag. I was like, listen, what had happened? But no, okay, so the D-ring went inside the bag. Okay. I had a moment. I did. I had a moment. But let me clip it on. Okay. It was a struggle, but I got her on. Here we go. And this is adjustable. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 adjustable options. But she cute. She cute. So it is, like I said, just a hole with plastic lining. It does have, I think I saw it. Nope, I'm lying. Oh, so that was the D-ring that slipped inside, because when I first was looking at it, I was like, oh, it has a D-ring inside, but no, it was the D-ring that went inside the bag, but it was meant to house the straps. So this is she. Cute and quaint. This retailed for $3.25 if I'm not mistaken, but they had a bunch of different colors, which I know this is my favorite shade of pink. And I wanted a pink fun bag, but pink is not a color that you're going to wear often or every day, so I didn't want to invest Louis Vuitton money, but I still wanted a luxury bag. So there we go. This is she. I am excited about this. So again, Brandon Blackwood has thoroughly impressed me. Y'all knew my first unboxing that I had with Brandon Blackwood. If you haven't seen it, I will link it up here. But I was impressed with that one. Still impressed with that one. It's my Jumbo Kuei. I know I jacked that up. But it's my denim bag. Still love that bag. Still carry that bag. I have styled it a bunch of times on Instagram. If you haven't followed me already over there, you should, because you will see a lot of these things styled, just like you're going to see that one styled on Instagram. But that is it, good people. So let me know what you think of the bag, and if you haven't already, of course, please consider subscribing, turning on those notifications so you can support and don't miss a video from your girl. Also, again, follow me on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook. I am at Rakita's Closet, and I will see you beautiful people in the next one. Okay, bye!